How to fix Facebook Messenger switch account problem on Android phone. First, open settings and then just check your connection here, and if everything is good here, just go back apps and then apps again. Now go to Messenger and then just check this one, data usage, enable all of those here, Wi-Fi and mobile data, and then go to storage, clear cache, click this one here, clear cache, and then force stop. And if that doesn't fix your problem, go back to storage, clear data, and your problem will be fixed. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and don't forget subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.